Today we're making crispy carnivore fried cheese balls 100% zero-carb and delicious. Start with shredded cheddar cheese, shredded mozzarella, parmesan, 2 large eggs, finely crushed pork rinds, baking powder and black pepper in a mixing bowl. Mix everything until fully combined. Divide the mixture into 6-7 sections, roll into balls and place on a baking sheet. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-12 minutes until golden brown. Remove from the oven and serve. The outside is crunchy. Inside perfectly melty cheese. These are the ultimate carnivore snack, zero carbs, pure flavor. Subscribe for more carnivore and KetoVore recipes.